This video will show you how to replace the rear vent window switch on a Chrysler Town Country. This will be attached to your front inside door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. With the door open, we can access our rear vent window switch. Now for this, I'm going to be using a plastic trim tool. There's going to be a couple locking tabs on this. Typically you can just pry it up. If you find you have a hard time making its way under with a trim tool, you can also use a small flat blade screwdriver. Once you get a little gap, I would switch to that plastic though, so you don't cause any damage. So for this, I'm just using that small pocket screwdriver. Now this is where we can see our two locking tabs on one side, two on the other, 4 total. We'll lift it up. Now we can gain access to our green electrical connector there. It has a locking tab. We're going to squeeze that in and pull this out of place. Now just a quick inspection for corrosion on that electrical connector. I don't see any there. That looks good. And there it is, friend. Now, prior to installing our part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. So for this, I'm just going to take hold of my electrical connector. I'm holding it up so it does not fall inside of the door panel. I'm going to use a clean rag, no detergents. Just go ahead and give this a quick wipe. We just want to make sure there's no damage. This does look good. Now let's prepare to install our rear vent window switch. We'll start with our electrical connector. We have the area for the locking tab. Line it up, press it in. After an audible click, we'll just double check, make sure that's secured in place. Continuing on, we just want to make sure we do have this in the proper orientation. We're going to bring this down into the door panel, press it down till you hear an audible click, double check to make sure it's properly seated all the way around. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality of that window switch. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.